Iran flaunts its of power. Iran fires ship-launched loitering munition to attack.
اصابت 5 فروند موشک کروز دریایی قمر بنی هاشم با
Iran has demonstrated the capability to attack a naval base by deploying a loitering munition from a warship. As part of its high-power military drills Zulfiqar 1401, the Iranian military launched an explosive-laden loitering munition suicide drone from Hengam-class landing ship IRIS Lavan. The loitering munition hit a simulated naval base target not identified by the Iranian military. The video of the drill that appeared on social media took the internet by storm.
اصابت 5 فروند موشک کروز دریایی قمر بنی هاشم.
According to military watchers and analysts, the drone appeared to be the Ababil 2 loitering munition. The Ababil class of drones can be launched using a rocket launch system, allowing it to be launched from the ship's deck. This system consists of a detonator, a trolley, rockets, and a 3-point attachment mechanism. It is transportable and simple to assemble and remove. After the video of the simulated attack was released and publicized, the Israeli media reported that the attack was simulated on an Israeli naval base. Citing unnamed open-source intelligence analysts, the Times of Israel report stated the mock base was created with a similar architectural layout to the Eilat naval base in the Red Sea coast city of the same name. According to the report, a mock version of an Israeli Navy Sayer 6 class corvette was also present next to the stimulated target. This is intriguing as the Israeli Navy successfully tested a ship-mounted version of its advanced Iron Dome air defense system on the vessel earlier this year. At the time, threats likely to face the Navy were simulated. Even though it is not unusual for Iran to stimulate an attack on mock Israeli targets, an attack on a naval base in the Red Sea could be alarming for the Jewish country. Iran and Israel have been accused in recent years of engaging in a naval shadow war, according to observers, in which vessels associated with each country have been attacked in a series of tit-for-tat encounters in the waters of the Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. However, the Iranian capability to quickly launch a loitering munition or a swarm of these expendable UAVs from a ship deck could pose a significant risk to Iran's adversaries in the Middle Eastern region, including Israel and the Gulf Arab countries, as well as the U.S. military facilities. Even though all these countries are armed to the teeth with modern air defense systems that could shoot down incoming drones, the cost differential would prove to be a headache, as demonstrated in the Ukraine war. The cheap Iranian Shahed 136 kamikaze drones deployed by Russia are shot down by the Ukrainian military, using expensive surface-to-air missiles fired by Western missile defenses. The massive war games kicked off on December 29, with the theme of self-confidence, power, and sustainable security, at a time when tensions continue to grow between Iran and its regional rivals, and its fiercest adversary in the West, the United States. As part of the military drills, 3 indigenously developed combat drones Arash, Baver, and Ababil were employed to strike mock targets along the coastline on December 31. In addition, surveillance and combat drones, such as the Mohajer 6, were used to survey mock-up war zones, gather information, and send topographical photographs to the Joint Control Command Center. Combat drones have found widespread application and utility in modern warfare, and Iranian suicide drones, for one, have proved their prowess in the Ukrainian war. However, this is not the first time Iran has shown off its capability to launch drones from the sea. In July this year, photos and video of various UAV types being launched from the Hengam-class landing ship Lavan, 514, the support ship Delver, 471, and a Kilo-class submarine known as Tariq, were published by the Iranian media. Most were launched from rails using rocket boosters, including what seemed to be one-way attack-capable Ababil 2 and UAVs. At the time, the Islamic Republic of Iran Broadcasting, IRIS, news coverage of the incident featured shots of UAVs striking both a floating and a land target.